Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. I'm introducing you lots of videos about our starter tool set, and today I will introduce you one more new product from the set, Hammerhead Tools. Hammerhead tools get their name from their shape. As you can see, they look exactly like a hammer. There's a shaft of the tool and then the head of the tool, which looks like a hammer and gives the name of that tool. It's a hammer shape, it's a big tool, so when it's turning around and it's making a big cut. I found these pair of earrings because the surface of the earring is big and even the backside is enough to work with hammerhead tools. So let's see how the hammerhead tool will look like on this earring. When you buy your starter tool set, you will find 3 of these hammerhead tools inside the set. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, these tools will come inside the set and you can work with them anyhow you want. Here is Bulunmaz catalog and here is the page for hammerhead tools. As you can see, we have 15 models on this catalog. You can choose and you can buy separately, and inside the set 3 of these tools, 2mm 140 with a 15mm head, 2mm 180 with a 15mm head also, and then 3mm 150 inside the set. Let's start the first one. Here is my 2mm 140 hammerhead 15 tool, and here is my earring, and here I am ready to start working on the earring. I'm using Bulunmaz micromotor. It's an electric machine. It's coming with a high torque and high precision. We designed it especially for diamond cut, and we outsource this to our partner in South Korea, which is one of the centers of precision, and we have a really good result. That's finally our bestseller machine. I will start 2mm 140 and I will start with 40,000 RPM, which is enough for my tool. Bulunmaz micromotor can go up to 50,000 RPM, but you must adjust the speed depending on your tool, depending on your product. I'm choosing 40,000 RPM because this is a hammerhead tool and it's a little bit dangerous. If you overspeed, you can damage the machine or you can cut your hand. Here we go. As I told you, I have a big surface on the earring. That means I have a big surface to show you the effect of hammerhead tool. I'm making the first cut. As you have seen, it's a big wide cut. My earring is thick enough. I choose that earring because I want to show you how deep you can go with the hammerhead tool. As you can see, you can go deep as much as you want. Be careful when you are holding your earring. You can really easily damage your fingers. That's a big problem. Here I go up. I'll decrease the size. Start? We start. I can start.
Yeah.
Thank you. Here I made a spontaneous cut, so it looks pretty fine. I really liked it. To be honest, it's better than I expected. I will continue the cut the same way, the other side, because I have 2 surfaces and even I have the other pair, so I have a big space to show you the other tools. I will continue with this similar cut. 40,000 RPM. Be careful. Watch your fingers. Let's go. Here I am on the edge of the earring. I'm more and more careful about my fingers. My earring is ready with 2mm 140 tool. Why I tell you always be careful, be careful, be careful, because that tool is really dangerous, and when you purchase the set, that must be the last tool you will start using when you have enough experience with the other easier tools. Here on the middle, I left it empty. I will change the tool to 3mm 150 tool. So it's a wider tool and bigger tool, so you can see a difference outside and inside the earring. Here's my 3mm 150 tool. What's 150 the degree? The previous tool was 140 degree and that tool is 150 degree. So it's cutting wider and it has a 3mm diamond size instead of 2mm, so it will make a bigger cut. I'm going with 40,000 RPM again, and I will cut inside the earring. Here I'm cutting even deeper. When I'm working, you hear a voice which is like a vibration. The reason is I cannot hold the earring perfect. So little bit vibration appears and that causes this voice. See, when I hold it well, it doesn't come on. Here we go. I get a great shine because I use these big tools. They are cutting deep, they are new, they are bulunmaz. So the shine is a lot. And you see, if you give more light, for example, the product is in your workshop, in your shop, in your retail shop, the shine will be much more when you give the shine. Perfect, so it's ready to put on my ear. How it look like? I turn the other side, it's still empty. So I will continue with my 2mm 180 2mm flat tool. It will give a mirror effect. If you see other videos on our YouTube channel, you will find more videos with the mirror cut, mirror design. So I will just make a basic cuts with the mirror tool, 180 flat tool, and you see the more and more shine is coming. Here I go. Here you see I'm making the flat cut. I will cover my earring with the flat cut. Here I change the way I hold the earring because it's becoming dangerous when you reach the edges. Here is the other side of my earring. You see the flat cuts instead of the crystal cuts, the other side. Here I used 3 of my tools which you can find in the set. I hope you like them. These were the basic cuts with the crystal cut, the flat cut, the 3mm 150 wide cut. These were just touches. Now I will combine these 2 tools, 3 tools, and will give you different finishings, different design, so you can learn more about how to combine your tools. That model is a little bit difficult. You have to move the tool and that needs more and more control. It's difficult. So I will just fix it on this material. That's a simple material, you can find it everywhere. so you can work on your earring. I'm starting with flat tool. I will make wide lines. The tool will move on the earring, so that's why I wanna speed up a little bit to 45,000. It's not easy at all to make this model, so be careful when you got your starter tool set. Learn well, then try this model. You can always visit us on worldwide exhibitions or in our offices and ask our technician to learn new tricks of this tool. And again, I warn you that hammerhead tool is a killer tool. It will cut your finger easily. Here I am completing my model with the combination of second tool 2mm 140. You need to control your fingers, your hands very well. Once you learn it, it's very simple, very easy. Here you see a combination of flat and 140 tool, which are some of our most popular tools. Here you can see one cut by 180, the mirror tool, one cut by the crystal tool 140. It's really tiring tool that you need lots of concentration for this tool, and I will complete the last part of my earring with 2mm 140, just single cuts. I go again 45,000 RPM, and I again fix material. Here we go. I use 2mm 140 tool just for flat lines, and I get this star-like effect. You watched a few simple touch on these little simple earrings, and I made different models. I made different combinations which you can make with diamond tools. If you are using diamond tools, your imagination is the limit. You can create unique designs special for you. Just combine different tools, just combine different speed or different hand movements, and you will get totally different designs. Just have a look at our other YouTube videos, you will find many other design ideas. Don't forget, the more you practice, you will get used more and you will get more skilled. You create more amazing pieces. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my works and you like my earrings or earrings. No, I'm a serious guy. So I hope you like my works, I hope you like our tools. You can always visit our website or YouTube channel to learn more about our products. When you get our tool set, you will find lots of different tools you can combine for your jewelry pieces. Don't worry, it's easy. Day by day you will practice more and you will know more about how to use these tools. Thank you so much for watching our video. I'm traveling worldwide and I'm doing lots of workshops around the world. So just have a look at our website bulunmaz.com to watch our program. Maybe I'm in your city, in your town, somewhere else, we can meet and I can introduce you more about our diamond tools. I hope you liked this new product. I hope you liked these hammerhead tools in our set. See you again in the next video. Have a shiny day. Take care.